Welcome everyone. The United States Air Force appears to be considering a radical move, abandoning the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) project that has long been the focus of the aviation world. The NGAD, which was supposed to be the successor to the F-22 and the pillar of American air dominance, could be replaced by a lighter, more adaptive, and perhaps smarter concept. Recently, the concept of a light fighter has emerged as a serious alternative to the NGAD. But what exactly does light fighter mean? Does it mean that the Air Force is planning to develop a new, smaller, cheaper fighter jet? Or could this be the beginning of a new era in air technology, where adaptability and modularity are key? We know that technology continues to advance at an incredible pace. With modular design, open systems architecture, and digital engineering, this new fighter concept would allow for faster and cheaper upgrades compared to multi-billion-dollar platforms like the NGAD, which could become obsolete in a relatively short time. This is a bold paradigm shift, as instead of relying on durability, the focus may now be on the aircraft's ability to adapt to new technologies. The decision also reflects valuable lessons from the past. The fifth-generation fighters that were introduced earlier, while very capable, were significant budget and time drains. While those fighters are still considered the best in the world, their technology is starting to show signs of age. The Air Force certainly doesn't want to repeat the same mistake with the NGAD. Imagine an aircraft that can be continuously upgraded as technology advances without having to replace the entire platform. With its open architecture and digital engineering, the light combat aircraft may be a more practical and economical solution. No more investing billions of dollars in a single aircraft that may no longer be relevant in a few years. But with such a big decision, and one that has the potential to change the course of global air dominance, is the Air Force really ready to abandon the NGAD? Or is this just a ploy to more efficiently align budgets and technology development? One thing is for sure, the military aviation world will be watching closely to see what the Air Force does next. Will we see the birth of a new generation of more flexible light fighter jets? Or will NGAD remain the top priority? Only time will tell. It is time for us to witness how military technology and strategy continue to evolve to face new challenges. What do you think? Could this light combat aircraft be the right solution, or is it too risky a move? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the latest updates from the world of military technology.